Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to attract a Cancer individual. Cancerians are deeply sensitive and respond strongly to both praise and criticism. To attract them, express your admiration genuinely and directly. Nothing draws them out of their shells faster than sincere approval. Identify a specific quality you truly appreciate. Do you like his outfit, her smile, their attentive listening skills? Cancer excels at this. Let them know. However, avoid flattery or flattery's sake, as Cancerians can easily discern between genuine compliments and empty praise. Show your softer side to Cancerians. Are you passionate about charities? Discuss it. Do you love children? Talk about them. Sharing a genuine personal problem can also be effective, as Cancerians are known for their empathy and constructive advice. They are interested in a range of topics, including finances, politics, and sports, so bringing these can also help in connecting with them. For a date, consider cultural or artistic events such as theatre, concerts, or opera. Cancerians are drawn to romantic, melodic music. A restaurant with live music or strolling musicians can be a delightful touch. Cancerians are cautious about making commitments. They tend to avoid giving a definite yes or no. If they delay too long, it might be a sign that the outcome won't be favorable. Cancerians have an incredible memory and often dwell on past wounds. It's rare for a Cancerian to forgive and forget completely. Understanding this trait can help you navigate the relationship better. To truly connect with a Cancerian, a patience and sincerity are key. They value genuine interactions and deep emotional connections. Approach with the honesty, warmth, and a willingness to share meaningful aspects of your life. In return, you will find a loyal and empathetic partner who values the connection you have built together. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in future videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.